You are driving on a highway and you realize that this icon keeps on appearing, on your screen, on your main screen, Tesla's main screen. So what does that mean? So look right there. It shows that icon. What is that icon? Let's press on it. It says the icon appears only when an app requests your vehicle's live location. So in this case, somebody is currently requesting my live location, which is a mobile app of a driver. So that means my another driver, which is authorized to operate this vehicle, has been requesting my vehicle. So how does it do it? So let me show you on the screen how it happens. So they have the app here, right there, and if they click on the Tesla app and then go to the location, so the moment they ask for the location, this icon appears. So here it shows that I'm parked in a golf course parking space. When you click on it, it shows Tesla mobile app driver is requesting my location. So I think most of the folks have this question when they see this icon appearing every now and then. They want to know what is happening. So this is what is happening. So right now I'm at 8327 Fingerboard Road, and the app is showing this location. Thank you. I think it is helpful to you. Please subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.